So just taking a walk to the back here. You can see we have these little exclusive use areas. Woo, windy. Exclusive use area. Bike storage, as you know, required. Then Unit 4 has its own exclusive use area, and this is the garden suite at the back. So got a little bit backyard here. And of course, into Unit 2, and I think they've done a great job of making sure that everybody kind of has above ground space, especially in the condominiumization. I think it would be very tough to sell if you're looking at basement only units, or like a unit that felt very much like a basement. Okay, here we are going into Unit 2. So I believe this is the studio unit. It's actually quite a bit of natural light coming in here. This window is very big, and this basement is not super shallow. I think they definitely made the right move here, keeping a lot of stuff above grade. This is more condo sized, everything. Again, finish level is just not super fancy, but at this price point, really it's a condo alternative. Heat pumps, nice and efficient. You've got the bathroom here. Laundry, little linen closet, and then the 1-bedroom unit down here. Got another heat pump in here. Quite a bit of light. Another big window. And closet slash heat on-demand heater. I think as basement units go, these guys have done a pretty good job. I've seen some stacked townhouses before where they really feel like basements, but this one is good. I think there's a bit of a missed opportunity here in having the doors glass, full glass or half glass doors, a little bit more light through, but overall, and it's got a bit of garden space, so overall, pretty nice.